In this section we'll be speaking about the Insert Edit Image icon. The Insert Edit Image icon allows you to insert an image from your computer drive into a step element or presentation component. When the Insert Edit Image icon is clicked on, the Insert Edit Image window will open on the screen. Clicking on the magnifying glass and folder icon will open the Asset Manager window. The Asset Manager window will appear on the screen. Clicking on the Drop Files here or click to select Files box will allow you to select a file from your computer drive into the Asset Manager for upload into the Boomi Flow platform. Clicking on the file that is uploaded will show you a preview of the image. Then click on the blue Insert Asset button when the image file is selected. The image file is saved to the cloud where the Boomi Flow platform can access it for repeat use within the tenant. Enter a description for the image and then dimensions of the image for your app to render the image. Clicking on the blue OK button will insert the image into the step element. Here is the image now shown in the step element content editor.